Children, I hope all of you are fine and keeping good health and revising what has been taught earlier. So, as you have seen here, that Bassanio makes the right choice and he has won Portia as his wife. And when Portia, with the ring, she gives everything, transfers everything on the name of Bassanio. You see that Bassanio is short of words. He is overjoyed, and with the result, he is unable to express his thankfulness and gratitude to her. And then you see the effect of this on Nerissa and others. So you'll see that everyone is very happy because all of them wished and they hoped that Bassanio should win the lottery of casket and Portia should marry Bassanio only and no one else. So this was the hope and the wish of everyone, which is fulfilled here, luckily. So you see what Nerissa says, addressing both, that is Bassanio and Portia. She says, "My lord and lady, now it is our time that we have stood beside each other. We have stood by each other, and we have seen our wishes, our hopes prosper, come true. So whatever we hoped, what is the hope here? That both of you will get married. So now it is the time when we have seen our hopes and our wishes being fulfilled. And now it is the time to wish both of you the greatest joy and the good happiness, my lord and lady. So we wish you all, both of you, the greatest joy that ever can be wished by a person. So these people, they are the attendants, or you may say the servants. But you see, all of them were very happy and they had already the hope that Bassanio should win and both of them should get married. Because Nerissa has seen the effect on Portia, that how much anxious she was regarding the will of her father. She was afraid that so many suitors are coming, and if they make the right choice and that person is not a suitable one, because she didn't like any of them, then she'll be forced to marry them. So here, Nerissa already knew that Portia loves Bassanio. And that is why you see when Bassanio comes, all are very happy and they hope that he should win. And it happens. So that is what Nerissa is saying. Now it is the time when we have witnessed our hopes and our wishes being fulfilled. It is the time also to wish you all the greatest joy and happiness. Graciano also wishes the same. He says, "My lord Bassanio and my gentle lady, I wish you all the joy." Addressing both, he says that I also wish you all the joy and happiness that you can wish, for I am sure you can wish none from me. He said, I wish you all the joy and happiness that you cannot wish for yourself any more than what we are wishing for you. Graciano says that everyone wishes that their life should be full of happiness and joy. But there's a limit to that. He says, I am beyond that limit. I wish much more than what you all can wish for yourself. And when your honors mean to solemnize, and he says that when your graces, you means you plan to solemnize, to tie the knot of marriage. But here it is given the bargain of your faith. So when you all wish to celebrate the contract of your love, that is marriage. When you all wish to get married, he says, I do beseech you, I do request you that at that time I may be married to. So Graciano also wishes to get married at the same time when Bassanio and Portia are going to get married. He says, when both of you wish to tie the knot for your marriage to be solemnized, celebrated, at that time it is my earnest request that allow me also to get married. So let us get married at the same time. To this, what Bassanio says, he says, with all my heart, he agrees to it. He says, most certainly, it means wholeheartedly, most certainly I agree to it. So thou canst get a wife, provided that you should find a wife to marry. It means Bassanio is asking that have you found someone, a lady suitable for marriage, or just you are saying like that, that at that time you also want to get married. Have you found someone? He says, most certainly I am ready for it. I allow you to get married at the same time, but tell me, have you found a suitable match, a suitable lady to marry, to be your wife? Reciano says, for this, my lord, I would like to thank you. You have got me one. You have found me one. You helped me in getting one. He says, my eyes, my lord, can look as swift as yours. My eyes can look as quickly as yours to find beauty, just as you find beauty. My eyes are also as swift as you to search for beauty. So you searched for the mistress, you saw the mistress, that is Portia, and I beheld, and I saw the maid. You loved, and I loved. You fell in love with your mistress, and I also fell in love with mine. He says, for intermission no more pertains to me, my lord, than you. Now, intermission means a period of waiting is no more entertained, no more welcome to me as to you also. It means now we should not wait, and we don't want that there should be a gap, an interval in between, but quickly we should get married. So, no interval is entertained or welcomed by me, neither by you. He says, your fortune stood upon the casket day. Your fortune depended on the choice of the caskets. And he says, and so did mine also. And mine too depended on the choice of the casket that you are going to make. He says, as the matter falls, he says, as things turn out, now he's telling how it depends, how it depended on Bassanio's choice of the caskets. It means how his fortune also depended on Bassanio's choice of the caskets. He's telling, as things turn out for wooing here until I sweat again and swearing till my very roof was dry with oaths of love, he says. So here you'll come to know that with all his energy, with all his efforts, with all his vigor and passion, he was he tried to pursue Nerissa, to fall in love with him, to accept his love, to accept his marriage proposal. Now he's telling you, wooing means to pursue a lady here. It means to pursue someone for love. He says, now he's telling here how passionately he did it, how ardently he did it. He says, for wooing here until I sweat again. That sweat shows he put a lot of efforts, lot of energy he wasted in wooing the lady, in trying to pursue her to accept his love. He put a lot of efforts, he spent a lot of energy, and he kept on swearing. Swearing about what? Oaths of love. He kept on swearing oaths of love that believe me, I love you truly, accept my love. So much he kept on swearing that the roof of his mouth went dry. His mouth was all dry, swearing oaths of love. And he said at last, what happened? If promise last, I got a promise of this fair one year. He says, and if a promise still holds good, I got a promise. She promised me that she would love me, provided that your fortune achieved a mistress, but on the condition that you should win her mistress in the lottery of caskets. So this is how it depended on Bassanio winning the lottery of caskets. It means the fortune of Gratiano marrying Nerissa. It depended on Bassanio's choice of the caskets. So Gratiano spent a lot of energy and efforts. His mouth went dry, he was tired, trying to woo the lady to accept his love. So she was not agreeing to it. At last she agreed, she promised. But there was a condition. She says, all right, I would accept your love on the condition, provided that Bassanio should win my mistress in the lottery of caskets. Then I will love you. Then I will accept your love. Portia is asking Nerissa, is this true, Nerissa? Nerissa says, Madam, it is. So you stand pleased with it. Portia is asking, is it true? Whatever he has said, is it true, Nerissa? She said, yes, madam, provided it is pleasing to you. It is true. Bassanio said, and do you, Graciano? Now Bassanio is asking Graciano, and do you mean good faith? It means, do you also intend to marry this lady in good faith? Do you truly love her, and do you truly intend to marry this lady? Are you serious about it? About marrying her? Graciano says, yes, faith. It means, indeed, my lord. Indeed, in good faith, it means, I am ready and I intend to marry this lady. Bassanio says, then our feast shall be much more honored in your marriage. Then our feast, that is the wedding feast. Feast is a big banquet when a lot of dishes are served and big celebration is there. There are a lot of people there, invitees. So he says, Bassanio is very happy when he comes to know that all of them, everything is settled between Graciano and Nerissa, and now they wish to get married. So he is very happy that on the same day we'll get married, and the banquet, the feast, it will be much more honored by having Graciano's marriage at the same time. That is what he says, that our feast shall be much more honored, much more pleasant, much more happier by having your marriage added to mine. So there will be two marriages on the same day, and that will make the feast much more pleasant and honorable and much more enjoyable. So just go through it, and in the next session we'll go ahead and keep on doing the workbook questions. We'll discuss later when we finish this scene. Thank you.